Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by duplicating the background and creating a stamped copy so edits remain non-destructive. Once done, isolate the glare area at 100% zoom to judge detail. This makes sampling accurate. Make a new blank layer above the stamp and set blending to normal, then change to sample all when using the healing tools. This workflow preserves original pixels and lets you toggle corrections, which matters when matching texture and tone later on. Next, you tackle the bright area using spot healing for small specks and healing brush for edges because they blend texture smartly. When larger blown highlights remain, switch to clone stamp at 10-30% opacity and sample nearby midtones to rebuild detail gradually. This avoids hard patches. Make small strokes and periodically toggle the layer visibility to check naturalness. Then use a clipped curves adjustment to match luminosity, and if needed, a low-flow dodge or burn to fine-tune local contrast. Finish by correcting color shifts caused by the sun using selective color or color balance on a clipped adjustment layer so surrounding hues stay intact. Once tones match, add a subtle high-pass sharpen on 13px at soft light to recover perceived detail. Make sure to flatten only a saved copy and keep originals. If you see halos or texture artifacts, lower the edit layer opacity and paint on the layer mask to blend. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.